Welcome to another garden tour. It's pretty breezy today. It seems that I can zoom in with the camera if I don't overdo it. So maybe that will make things turn out a little better this time. Start with some of the irises over here. Most of the dwarves and arilbreds are done. Certainly all the pumalas are gone. But we still have a few of the last dwarfs, and the tall arilbreds and some of the medians are starting. Here are some miniature dwarfs from Lee Walker. Teacup Sonata, Wee Note, and Short Nip. There's a standard dwarf called Whine a Bit. Here's a standard dwarf from Shriners, Wait For Me. I said standard dwarf, it's registered as a miniature dwarf, but that's not what it looks like here. Mandy's Baby Blankie from Elizabeth Reenitz, looking nice this year. A couple seedlings of mine are children of Iris Reichenbachii, which I've been using for median breeding. Over here, sort of finishing up, is Hager's Behold Titania and Johnson's Tit for Tat, and another one of my Reichenbachii seedlings. And then in the back here you can see Johnny's Magic looking wonderful. And Keppel's Eye to Eye. There's Rick Tasco's Sand Dancer, one of my favorite arilbreds here, looking really good. Here's a recent MDB from Paul Black, Newfangled. And there's the tetraploid Errol Werkmeister's Beauty. And over here an MTB Saucy. One of the early ones from the Craigs. Some more tetraploid Errols here. Different kinds of regalias. This one is Hippolyta. Behind it is Amphion. And then there's a Stolonifera selection called Tiberius. Going back into the seedling area now. Almost everything that I showed you here last time is finished blooming. You have a couple little dwarfs here though. The battery died, so we're starting over at this point. The dark one is Ben Hager's Libation, and the white one is a very old dwarf-bearded from Caparn called Bride. And over in the seedling bed, what we have mostly now are my median seedlings. All of these have Iris Reichenbachii as a grandparent. So the ones that are yellow and kind of tan color are from Dalrida by a Reichenbachii seedling. And over here now, there's one of the better ones from that cross. And these blue and white ones are from Silver Ice by a Reichenbachii seedling. And one of the interesting things is that we are getting some very small things here. Irises, they're standard dwarf in size, but have the branching and bud count of MTBs. And my thought is that those will be useful in crossing with large border bearded iris or even tall beardeds to get BBs or MTBs or IBs that are not too large for the class and more in proportion. So I hope you enjoyed the garden tour today. Thanks for listening.